Welcome to our second tip on how to increase computer security, online safety, and online privacy. For tip number 2, we're going to talk about passwords. And the reason why is because passwords can be the difference between being hacked and not being hacked. And so they're very, very important to security, safety, and privacy. When it comes to password safety, there's three main things. I've got two listed now, and I'll list the third one here in a moment. But the first one is we need to be using only strong passwords and never, ever use the same password twice. Now, the main reason or reasons why these two rules do not get followed is because it's not convenient. It's not convenient to type in a password every time you want to get into an account. Especially if it's a long, complicated password. It's not convenient or easy to remember all of those passwords. And so the third thing is actually a solution to both the first and second rule. It's the third one right here, which says always use a password vault. A password vault will show you how to create strong passwords, and it will also be a place where you can store your passwords so you don't have to worry about remembering them. And it also includes an extension that will type the password in for you, and it's available for Windows, Mac, as well as tablets and smartphones. Now down in the notes below, we've listed a link to where you can go to download a free password vault. Again, it's available for both Mac and Windows and tablets and smartphones. I'm going to go ahead and pull it up on my screen right now. Here in the password vault, you'll be able to do everything from store passwords to secure notes. And basically, this program is what it sounds. It's a vault. It's an encrypted program that keeps all of your passwords safe and secure. Even if someone gains access to your device, they will not be able to get your passwords because they are stored in this encrypted program. Now here on the screen I've listed just one more time what the benefits are in using a password vault. Again, it will help you create only strong passwords, and we'll go over what a strong password consists of here in a moment. It will also remember the passwords for you so you don't have to remember them, and then that way you do not use the same password twice. It will fill your passwords in for you so that way you don't have to type them every time, so that way, because a strong password is often complicated, you don't have to worry about typing it in. And last, it's free and available for Mac, Windows, tablets, and smartphones. And please be aware there are other free password vault programs available, so if you do not like the one that we listed down below, there are other options. So please, again, if you do not like the option below, do not use that as an excuse not to be safe. You need to be using a password vault on all of your devices. And so, again, if you do not like the one that we listed down below, just Google or Bing or Yahoo search password vault and it will pull up additional options. Now here on your screen is a list of what a strong password consists of, and it must meet all of these requirements. First, it must be at least 14 characters long, and those characters must be upper and lowercase letters, numbers, symbols, and be completely random. If your passwords are not meeting all of these requirements, your passwords are not safe and they could be hacked. An example of what a good password is listed right here, and also because I've used this password once, I will never ever use this password again. Remember, every account, every personal account, every password you use must only be used once. Never ever use the same password twice, and put them all in your password vault so you don't have to remember them, and also so you will not have to type them in. One last thing, just to be clear, in order for the password vault to fill your passwords in for you as you're going across the internet, you will need to make sure that the Dashlane password vault extension is installed on your web browsers. Now it should prompt you, when you first install this program, it should prompt you to do that. If for whatever reason that does not happen, there's an extensions tab right here where you can go to manage the Dashlane extension, but again, you will want to make sure that this extension is on your browsers if you're using a computer. If you're using the mobile app, it will allow you to use a web browser within the password vault, which will fill those passwords in for you automatically.